New Era Public School Dwarka always strives to make its students sensitive and aware towards the environment. With the noble mission of making our city green and serene, many activities such as tree plantation drive, water conservation drive, bird conservation workshops have been organized for students. Students have planted about 200 plants in the school ground and converted a barren land into an urban forest. A small butterfly garden and a vertical garden are also a part of school's clean and green environment.
We look, we see you every day, in the fields of corn and in the fields of hay. You represent the goodness of the earth throughout the toils and problems that men unearth. From your valleys of flowers to your grass of the plains, they are examples of your beauty in every domain. The forest of trees is your house for animals from bird to mouse. Skies of blue and wisps of clouds hang over your earth and the ground. The crashing waves, the salt, the spray, the solitude of a secluded bay. From your mountain peaks of majestic heights to prairie lands of a distinctive sight. Whether in the arid desert sand or the ice and snow of Arctic land, the passage of time your seasons bear to all who take the time to stare. You are a magnificent, awe-inspiring sight, from your gentleness to your powerful might. A very happy World Environment Day. And now, we have the students of New Era Public School Dwarka who celebrated World Environment Day by taking part in a painting competition. Let's take a look at them showcasing their paintings and sharing their views about the same.
Every year on 5th June, World Environment Day is celebrated. It is celebrated to raise awareness and action towards protecting our environment. I have made this painting depicting how us humans have polluted the earth to a certain extent that every living being on the earth is being affected by it. So, we should do our bit towards protecting our planet.
Greetings everyone, my name is Ahana Verma and I am from New Era Public School Dwarka, class 11. This painting is made keeping in mind the idea of the World's Environment Day. My painting depicts the beauty of nature and how we can conserve it with every drop of water.
My name is Prisha and this is my painting for World Environment Day. This painting portrays what my Environment Day looks like. Our family likes to plant trees and clean our surroundings. We also appreciate beauty of nature. In our school too, we plant many saplings and try to keep our school campus clean and green.
I am Ranvijay. The world is facing tremendous environmental degradation such as pollution, deforestation, as well as aquatic life reduction, overpopulation, global warming, etc. Not only traces the concern on environmental degradation, but also it suggests the steps that we should take to preserve our environment.
Drawing depicts that the earth is breathless and is wearing a mask. As a consequence of our greed for civilization and industrialization, cyclones, earthquakes, global warming are signals that we need to mend our ways to rebuild a healthy environment on earth that it deserves. A small step for big reconciliation is to plant trees. So, let's take a pledge to plant more trees and save the environment. Happy World Environment Day!
My name is Arav Mehra and I study in NPS Dwarka in 5th grade. Today is World Environment Day and I am going to tell you something about my drawing. The first picture in my drawing describes that the earth is looking very happy and it is not polluted. The nature's beauty is enhancing and the earth is surrounded from trees from all around. The second picture in my drawing describes that the earth is looking very sad and it is very polluted. Smoke is coming from factories to pollute the air and chemicals falling in water. We should not pollute the environment and destroy the earth because it is the only planet we live in. So, happy World Environment Day to all. Thank you.